Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TaskRabbit for local earning opportunities. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download TaskRabbit for local earning opportunities, start by unlocking your mobile device. Locate your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're on an Android, tap on the Google Play Store. In the App Store's search bar, type TaskRabbit. Press the search icon to initiate the search. Once the search results appear, look for the TaskRabbit app, usually featuring a red logo. Tap on the app to view its details. On the apps page, you'll find an Install or Get button. If you're on an iPhone, you might need to confirm your Apple ID or use your Face ID or Touch ID. For Android users, you may be prompted to accept permissions before downloading. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the TaskRabbit icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the app. You'll be guided through the setup process, which includes creating an account. Follow the prompts to enter your information, like your name and contact details. Make sure to provide your location to connect with local job opportunities. After completing the setup, explore the app's features. Browse available tasks in your area, and choose the ones that interest you. Now you're ready to start earning locally with TaskRabbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.